it out. Money. Freaking delicious. Alright. Let's go ahead and just clean these up. It's gonna be pretty simple. Just get yourself a knife. Just run it through. Just like so. I ain't worried about the membrane. Just score it. Come to this side. It's a little thin right here. Just go ahead and knock off that right here. Come to this side. We got a shiner. Go ahead and knock off that bone right there. Just square this up. It's pretty simple. I usually follow the fat seam right here. Rib tips. Yeah, we're gonna cook these up too. Mañana. Just square this off. A little bit right here. That looks pretty good. Can knock off some of this fat right here. Shave it off a little bit. You want a meaty bite. You wouldn't want a fatty bite. Knock that off. Got a little bit right here. Looks pretty good. St. Louis cut right here. It's pretty thick on this end, pretty thick on this end. Got a little bit right here. Can knock off. Looks pretty good, guys. That was quick and easy. Walker's wood once again. Get a scoop there. And just rub it in. Rub it in. You guys can't see. All right. This is the night before. We're gonna go ahead and marinate this for 24 hours. It's gonna be delish. Simple and easy. I am gonna use PS seasonings. This has sugar in it, so it's gonna combine the flavors pretty good. Because the Walker's wood, it's very spicy, and then we add some sugar to it. We're gonna go ahead and season as well. Nice and even. Something like that. Kinda pat that in. Go to this side. Get another scoop. Smear this around. I did this on a pork belly, guys. If you have not seen that video, I will put a link so you guys can check it out. All right, let's go ahead and season as well. Nice even coat. Get those sides. And that looks pretty good right there. This is going back to the refrigerator. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Stick around, guys. All right, this is the next day. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous color. It smells absolutely fantastic. Look at that. So this has been in the refrigerator 15 hours. I do have the Z grills preheating at 250 degrees. Let's go outside and place these ribs. It's gonna be a simple, easy cook. Look at that. That's just so beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Push them in together so they can be nice and plump. This is going to be a low and slow, 250 degrees. We'll come back in 2 hours and we'll check on them then. Stick around, guys. 2 hours. 2 hours into this bad boy. Ooh, starting to look good. Great color, guys. Very nice color. Look at that. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these bad boys. Let's see here. I got some foil right here. So what I plan to do, this is all optional, guys. I just want to add some sweetness to it because this is gonna be spicy. I put quite a bit of jerk seasoning in it. So put a little Pepsi, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. Just to counterbalance the heat to the sweetness. Something like that. Put a little bit more Pepsi. If you want, you can add a cherry. I'm just playing, guys. Like I said, this is optional. I just want to balance the heat and the sweetness. I don't want the rib super fiery. I was thinking about it a little while ago. I go, you know what? I added a lot of jerk seasoning to this, so I better try to fix it now. I don't want it to be too spicy, guys. All right, I'm gonna crank this up to 300, and we'll let this go for an hour to an hour and a half. I'll bring you back then. Stick around, guys. All right, check this out. Got some nice pullback there. Look at that. That is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. All right, let me put these inside. We'll cut right into them, guys. Our Damascus knife from Kuma. Yeah, baby. All right. Look at this. This has been resting for 10 minutes. Dig right into it, guys. Woo. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Look at that, nice and sticky. Total cook time, hours, I think it took like 4.5 hours. I don't remember. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy. See how we did? Oh man, cuts like butter. Beautiful, guys. Gorgeous. Cuts like butter. Just beautiful, guys. Let's go right here for this guy right here. Oh my God. Look at that smoke ring. Look at that. Look at that smoke ring, guys. Beautiful. Obviously nice and juicy. Look at that. Man, I tell you guys, ribs are so easy to do on any cooker. We didn't even check temp. I've been doing ribs for a while. Look at how soft that is and sticky. I've been doing ribs for a while. They're easy. It cannot get any easier than this. Freaking delicious. For a minute, I thought I overcooked these, like fall off the bone, which is fine because I love fall off the bone, but it has a good bite to it. These ribs are spicy. Not crazy spicy, but they're spicy. And that sweetness that we put from Uncle Steve and that Pepsi, it pairs up perfect. I knew it would. These ribs are really good. The heat level is there. I can taste it all in my mouth. Bomb. It's not a heat level where you can't enjoy your food. It's a good heat level. This is delicious. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm George. You like the video, you already know the drill. Give me that thumbs up, give me some love, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, guys, you guys take care. I'll see you guys on the next one.